traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is the big FOMC day, interest rate news for the US. And they are planning on cutting rates today, or at least that's what they forecast. I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube, so definitely make sure you stop in to see my latest opinion on your favorite pairs. So anyways, I think this 5 waves up is still a wave A. I'm still looking at this as likely being 3 waves down for an A, B, C, or B, which eventually it probably will make another attempt on the uptrend. But taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is so extremely clearly 5 waves down, wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B, impulsive down. I think this is a wave 1. I think we're currently in a wave 2, and I think eventually it's going to go down, make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this first push down is a wave 1. I think we're likely in a wave 2 now, and I'm still not really convinced the wave 2 is over. I think it needs to end up doing something like this to make a more proper looking ABC of 2, probably go out to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, US dollar CAD has been like literally completely sideways for probably about a week now or so. To me, it kind of looks like it needs to push down, maybe even take out all this structure level and then make a bigger push up to one of these higher fib levels. I think pretty much the whole world is going to be expecting the dollar to go down because that's what interest rate cuts would tell you fundamentally. But because of that, I think that it's just going to be a bear trap and the dollar is actually going to make a push to the upside and eventually end this wave 2 and go down for that wave 3. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, very, very, very sideways price action, but to me it's impulsive down, and then it's just completely sideways, so impulsive versus completely corrective. Normally that does lead to at least another impulsive down, but like I said, I think the impulsive down is going to potentially be a bear trap, because I think the US dollar does need to make another push up. And overall, I think the trend is going to continue down. I just think on the short term, like on the 1 hour time frame, fundamentals are definitely not going to line up with what you see on the chart. It's probably just going to go down to trap everybody in a sell, and then it's probably going to go up and stop everybody out. And then probably a few days or a week later is when it'll actually end up continuing the downtrend. But anyways, definitely make sure you stop in to see today's live stream so you can see my latest outlook on the market right before the news comes out. And as always, thank you and happy trading.